Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Arena Cobra Ultra Swim Goggles. The low-profile, blade-shaped lenses are designed for minimal drag and have semi-rigid temples to keep them stable no matter how speedy you may be. You'll have both excellent visibility and top-tier hydrodynamics with this sleek pair of racing goggles from Arena. Discover the most advanced mirrored competitive racing goggles, Cobra Ultra Swipe, with Arena's revolutionary swipe anti-fog technology that lasts 10 times longer and can be reactivated. There are 5 adjustable nose bridges included for fit customization along with the adjustable double straps, and you can choose between mirrored or non-mirrored lenses depending on whether you usually swim outdoors or indoors. Their most interesting feature, though, is Cobra's anti-fog film, which you can activate by holding the goggles in water and swiping the interior lens 5 times with your finger. Arena claims this anti-fog lasts 10 times longer than other anti-fog coatings. Ideal for indoor swimming and low-light environments, featuring UV protection, polycarbonate lens construction for increased durability and 5 interchangeable nose bridges for perfect customization. Number 2 in this best swim goggles for men list is Speedo Unisex Swim Goggles. A soft one-piece frame fits comfortably against the face and adjusts with a soft silicone split head strap. UV protected lenses feature an anti-fog treatment so you won't miss a moment of the fun. Soft one-piece frame cushions your face for maximum comfort and protection. Your eyes need protection from more than just chlorine. Our UV protected lenses block the sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays. Anti-fog prevents the condensation of water in the form of small droplets on a surface which resemble fog. The outer eye fit is comfortable and easy to wear with its soft, flexible frame. Speedo still includes its gasket shape offers the most universal fit outside your eye socket with the security and reliability, so your vision stays clear and protected, and there's a mirrored finish available if you need to cut the glare. PVC frame and silicone strap with SpeedFit head strap system. So your eyes are safe from chlorine and the sun. Enhanced pool training using a performance-driven goggle designed to keep you focused on the laps ahead. This mirrored essential features an innovative system that provides a universally comfortable fit and anti-fog lenses with UV protection, so your eyes are safe from chlorine and the sun. Our third choice is Aquasphere Cayenne Swim Goggles. If you want a little more eyeball room, the Cayenne are the best swim goggles for you. Their oversized lenses sit around the outside of your eye socket, providing 4-point vision without getting too high off your face. Sometimes you don't want something sitting right up on your eye sockets. Though it can't be swapped out for a different size, the nose bridge is still designed to be comfortable and secure thanks to an interior stabilizer that keeps things steady as you adjust the goggle straps using the one-touch button on the side. The clear lens transmits a natural light, which makes it ideal for low light and overcast conditions where maximum visibility is required. Great for indoor pools and dark conditions. Aquasphere has been evolving and perfecting their highly functional swim goggles for many years. Tried and trusted with comfort and performance, the Cayenne design fits men and women and swimmers of all experience levels. Fourth pick in this best swim goggles for men list is Speedo Vanquisher Swim Goggles. These goggles are incredibly popular, sweeping up best swim goggles distinctions left and right. Two-tone silicone double head strap and ergonomic adjustable clip. Mirrored lens coating helps to reduce glare. Features 4 interchangeable nose pieces. UV protection. They do what you need them to do, include all the necessary features, and then some. The low profile, inner eye fit won't get in your way if you're going for speed, and the gasket sits securely within your eye socket. Comfortable soft silicone seals conform to your face and keep your goggles in place preventing water from coming in. Super hydrodynamic shape designed to minimize drag while offering wide visibility underwater. Panoramic lenses help you stay aware of your surroundings by maximizing your field of view and protect your eyes with UV protection built in. You can also opt for a mirrored lens from Speedo if you like the extra glare reduction. There are 4 included nose bridges to help you find your perfect size, as well as an adjustable clip on the back of the double strap to dial it in. Our 5th and last choice is Tire Adult Socket Rocket Swim Goggles. The Tire Socket Rocket Goggles have earned a place in my rotation of goggles based on the fact that they've combined some of the best features of the Swedes and the Vanquisher. They feature a sleek look that is reminiscent of the Swedes. There is an adjustable nose piece that you can use with the packaged string and silicone tube, or you can use the goggles as is with a piece of strap for the nose bridge. The goggles are also lightly rubberized on the gasket, like the Vanquisher's 2.0, which make them comfortable and also leak-proof.